today I did this look right here, and I will be teaching you guys how to do this. It's posted on my Instagram, my makeup Instagram. So if you want to learn how to do this look, just keep watching. Alright, we're starting. So I have my sister here today. She can't be in the camera, and hopefully she doesn't talk, because if she talks, guess what? I'll have to change her voice, and guess who doesn't know how to do that? I don't know how to do that at all. Just kidding. Well, no, not kidding, but like, not kidding at all. Today I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I've used this already. It's like, there's a lot of colors. I don't know if you can tell that I've dipped into. I've been going crazy on it. Most of my looks have been like inspired by other people recently, and they've been like really crazy, really colorful, because I just think it's so pretty. So the first look I'm doing, you already saw it in the beginning, and you're already gonna see it in the thumbnail, but it's basically just a sunsetty color scheme, pink, orange, yellowish. So I have some tape on and I'm ready to start this look. But today I'm going to do a little different thing. I'm going to like do one eye, and while I do one eye, talk instead of fast forward it, because I don't want this video to be boring. I don't think these colors have names. Oh. No, I don't think they have names. But I'm going to start off with the pink right up here. This one. I'm going to load my brush with that. By the way, the whole time I'm probably going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that just comes in all their palettes, because it's my favorite one, because I never find myself getting brushes. I think the first thing I'm going to talk about is back to school. A really good video that people can do to like get views up would be back to school videos, like back to school makeup. Back to school makeup, it's my everyday makeup, because I always do crazy makeup. My sister just nodded. I always do crazy makeup, down to the lashes. Like, actually, sometimes I don't wear my crazy lashes to school, but like, for instance, I ran out of my like normal lashes, my short ones, so I wore my crazy lashes, because you know, like, not wearing lashes, like, who does that? And no one commented or said anything, so I wore them again, and I keep wearing them, and it's not that bad. This is what it looks like so far, just pink. Now we're going to transition into the orange. You guys probably have seen looks like this a lot. I don't know what the next topic should be though. Like, I guess I could talk about... Ooh, I got one. So speaking of lashes, a lot of the times, like, adults make comments on how crazy my lashes are. And like, all of the times, they don't understand that like they're crazy like that for a reason. The whole point of me wearing makeup is that it's crazy. A lot of times, adults are really judgmental with that kind of thing, and like, so I'll have to explain, like, I wear crazy lashes either because like my makeup's crazy, or like I'm spicing up a look, or maybe even because I'm gonna take pictures. And if I take pictures, like, you want your lashes to stand out. I just think that makes sense, but like, a lot of the times I get a lot of hate from adults because they don't agree with my lashes or my makeup, or you know, how much it like stands out. For the next eye, I'm going to be taking this yellow. Oh my god, I dipped my finger in it, but this yellow right here, it's my most used color, as you can probably see. Probably gonna hit pan on that faster than I would like to. So I'm just going to put that like on the top right here. Transitioning differently from people that don't understand, I'm going to talk about people that do understand. And since my little sister's here right now, we can start with her. So my little sister, well, first of all, start with, my dad is actually an artist. Like, he's not an artist like Van Gogh. Like, he doesn't have his own art museum and stuff, but he does art, and he's really like amazing at it. Phenomenal. Like, I'm not really sure about our little brother, because I've never seen him draw before, but I know me and Leah are really into that. We just both really like art, but like, of course, my art formed more onto my face, and she's more of like a drawer. Like, she's an artist, I'm a makeup artist, if that makes sense. And so like, she always like gives me constructive criticism about what my makeup looks like, and is always like showing all her friends my makeup channel. So next I'm gonna just cut my crease. I once drew this picture just for her to like look at and stuff, and then like she went home and I drew like half a person, and then like she went home and she drew the other half, and apparently I saw it, but I don't remember ever seeing it, and I always wondered like what it looked like, and I never saw it. I never got it. She said she gave it to me. Don't believe her. If you want to see this look, not this exact one, but like the first one I did, then go look on Potato Beauty with 2 Y's. Potato Beauty. I'm gonna replicate the same exact look I did on my eye onto my crease. What other topic can I talk about? Ooh, speaking of YouTube but not makeup. Or we weren't speaking of that, but like starting a new conversation about YouTube that has nothing to do with makeup. I've been watching a lot of the Gabby show recently. Like a lot. Like I've been watching her all the time. I don't know, she's just so funny now. Or not now, like she's always been funny, but like she's so funny to me. Comment below any YouTubers that you're really like obsessed with right now. Mine would be the Gabby show, and then also this girl named Alana, I forget her last name, but like she's really cool and she's really pretty. And then and I've been obsessed with like Emma Chamberlain and James Charles a lot. I really like James Charles. He's very controversial, and I don't know why, because he seems so like nice and sweet. And I used to watch Tana Mojo a lot, and I haven't been watching her recently because she just seems so sad in her videos because everything that happened with TanaCon. I just feel so bad for her. That's what it looks like. I don't like that like angle at all, so I probably won't put that in. So here are my crazy lashes that I probably shouldn't wear to school, but I have been wearing to school even though it gives me a little bit of social anxiety. I think they're really cute. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back, and then I'm gonna sign off, and I'm gonna sign back in because I like starting my video with my makeup already done now, just so that you guys like don't click out immediately. So I'm gonna do that like right now. So that's the end of this look, guys. I hope you like it. Very sunsetty. I think, in my opinion, very pretty. You can always add eyeliner. In the original look there is eyeliner, but today I just didn't feel comfortable doing it. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!